to enable birthday party on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Snapchat app. So you have to go to this page right here and let me show you how to do that. So you can go out of here, then go to your Snapchat app, and then from this page you have to click on your profile, which is at the left top corner. So this is how we get to this page. So after that you have to click on the gear from the right top corner, which is settings, and then here at my account we have name, username and birthday. So make sure that you click on the birthday option. So here at the bottom it says this will add a cake next to your name, display a special birthday charm, help your friends find and celebrate your birthday, and some other fun surprises. This does not reveal your age to other Snapchatters. Changes can take up to 24 hours to take effect, so make sure that you enable this. So after that you can go back, and this is how you enable your birthday party on Snapchat. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.